Hello, for this mushroom soup, here are the ingredients I used. Feel free to adjust the quantities to suit your taste. Slice the mushrooms, garlic and onions like these. If you put the chicken stock in the fridge to chill, the oil will cake at the surface like this. I use this oil to saute the garlic, onions and mushrooms. Saute till the mushrooms are light brown. Then add the chicken stock. And the black pepper. Once it boils, pour into your blender and blend till smooth. If the jar of your blender is plastic, wait for the mushroom to cool down before blending and warm the soup again afterwards. When smooth, add hot water while running the blender to bring it to the consistency you like for these kinds of soups. That's it! Serve with any snack of your choice. I served it with coconut bars. Yum, yum, yum!